walked among the ancient stars before this world became so scarred, with wisdom hidden in their gaze, remembering their cosmic days. Elegant creatures from afar, watching Earth beneath the sky. They know the secrets we forgot, the sacred knowledge that